Hello, welcome to FEMAP Real FEA Made Easy series. In this series, we would like to share with you our FEMAP experience, giving you some hints to perform Real FEA and on the easy way. Today, we will continue with FEMAP tools used for modeling of FEA assembly connections as part 2. As mentioned in part 1, FEMAP offers different types of connectors for modeling of FEA assemblies. Connection can be defined between surface, edges, and points. FEMAP offers tools for easy assembly model setup with automatic detection and visualization of contacts. In case of shell plate assemblies, and use of automatic detection methods, the potential connectors will be found with given detection tolerance with regards to plates' offset distances. Running shell models, user should find out and enter in auto-detection options for connections and appropriate detection tolerance with regards to plate thicknesses. Another very important issue when running shell assemblies is to check shell element normal vectors. The surface-to-surface connectors will work properly when the shell element normal vectors work towards each other. Run modified update element orient plate normal first edge command to reverse normal orientations if needed. Let us see how it works in the following FEMAP example. The following FEMAP model consists of mid-surface extracted geometry. In this case, searching after possible connections using connect automatic command requires a definition of detection tolerance, which depends on plate thicknesses. Another issue we mentioned before is to check orientation of shell normal vectors for elements in contact. To display these vectors, use View option and in category Label, Entities and Color, select Element Direction and show direction for normal vectors. Both sides of connector must see each other having normal vectors oriented towards the part in contact. After solution, the total glued forces and contact locations as well as other output vectors can be evaluated. FEMAP connection tools used for definition of FEA model connections help with efficient modeling of FEA assemblies. For more information, please check Chapter 441 and 442 from FEMAP Help folder or contact us using email femapsupport@femcom.se. Thank you for watching.